How to download code from Replit. Step 1. Log into your account and then choose the workspace that you want to export. Step 2. On the top menu bar, click the three-dot menu button next to your project name. Go to your main file code, go to this three-dot button, and then select Download. Step 3. Select Download as zip, and Replit will now package your entire project files into a zip code. Step 4. Save the zip file to your computer and then unzip it. You will see all your files there, including your code dependencies and config files. Step 5. To run your project locally, open your terminal or IDE, and if it's a Node, Python, or similar project, install dependencies with npm install or pip install space -r requirements.txt. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.